Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to be talking about teeth. I am so sorry if you hear background noise because my family is a little loud. So I'm going to go ahead and discuss my entire situation with braces, how I felt with them and my whole experience. And I have two experiences because I had them twice. So yeah, so before we get into the video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as hit the post notifications bell to get notification whenever I upload. Hello, there we go. Like these videos if you guys like these type of videos. I have a whole bunch of stuff. I can do different videos. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I can write them down. I can go back to this video and I can answer them in another video if you guys want to. I'm also going to insert videos and photos on the side of me of past videos that I had my braces in, and like when I first got them off and stuff like that, just to share with you guys my whole journey with everything. The reason I first got braces in the beginning, I always was made fun of my teeth by my family because they used to look like little cheese niblets, and like the gum would just surround them very differently. So I had them, and then now that my friends see me with my new teeth, they kind of just were like, yeah, they did look a little different before, but you know, it wasn't a big deal. They weren't too crazy. When I was younger, my mom says that I used to have my thumb and I would go like this to like my teeth, so my top teeth would be always forward from the bottom teeth as well, so they were just a hot mess. I had extra teeth as well. Anyways, so this is me after like high school. I was just fresh out of high school, starting freshman college. So I went to this dentist who also did the orthodontist stuff. So I went there and I had a consultation. He said that I would have to do everything first, like fillings, everything like that. And yeah, so I had to do like so many fillings. I had to do a root canal, I remember, and it was so painful, you guys. Like, root canals are so painful because let me tell you this because now I work at a dentist office, so I know what it is. So they basically take out the entire infected like stuff in your tooth. They clean it out, they clean the canal out. They numb you first of all, but make sure that the whole canal is like clean, and they put like antibiotics and they put stuff so it'll get better so you don't get it again. And then if it's severe, some cases are different, but they can either put the buildup back in the tooth, fill it up to the top, and you're done with the root canal, or you might have to just wait and fill it with the antibiotics, wait 2 weeks, come back, and then take that out and then put the rest of the buildup in, and then they have the root canal finished. So it's a very long process. It hurts so much, like it's a pain in the ass. So I had to do everything first before I got the braces on. So after I did everything, I was also evaluated because if I were to do my braces with the amount of teeth that I had, it might just be too crooked. So I kind of do like that they're like nicer and spacious now, but the back of my teeth, I feel like they just are like ugly. So I did get my teeth extracted. I had like teeth right here and teeth right here. They weren't like my molars and they weren't my wisdom teeth because I didn't have any wisdom teeth. And so after they did the extractions, I think I had to wait for them to like the area to heal, and that is also a pain in the ass, getting extractions, because you have to like do rinses, you can't spit, you can't drink with a straw. It is also a pain in the ass to do that. So after I went through everything, I was able to put on the braces. And the thing with the metal that he used, I'm not gonna say names because I'm not gonna bash anything, but with the metal that this guy used, it just inflamed my gums because I don't have like gingivitis or anything, but it like inflamed my gums. It made them like super inflamed the entire time that I had them, which is something that I really kind of wish that I waited for the correct orthodontist. But it inflamed my gums so much and it was just super annoying for me. I did the whole teeth. Here is a photo of how my teeth looked before and what they looked like when I just freshly put on the braces, as well as there's another photo right here down below where it was about like a 7-week check or so many months, I think. I don't really remember. But I had the first round of braces for about 2.5 years. Braces hurt, like they make your teeth look beautiful, but the way that they have to move your bone, like you're basically moving your bones, into a shape that you want them to be so they can be more straighter. And let me tell you, teeth bones are so incredibly sensitive and they hurt so much when you try to like tighten them. The first thing is like white best tip for you guys, like I can do a whole tip video, but the biggest thing you would have to do for me before I would go to my orthodontist appointments is you eat breakfast. I recommend eating a nice breakfast in the morning or whenever you have it. Eat it before you put on the braces or before you go get them tightened, because that is a whole mess in itself. Like, oh my god, it just hurts because like for me it would be like up and bottom, so like I couldn't bite anything. If I was moving the front teeth would hurt. If I was doing the back teeth would hurt. So it was just so annoying to eat that day, and I would just acknowledge that it took like about a week and a half for your teeth to like stop hurting for the entire thing. My teeth were a mess, let me tell you, and they were also a really ugly like yellow color before. At least I think they were. I did not film any videos before I got my braces put on, so I really can't reference that. And then I do remember I just would white out back in the day. Once I got my braces put on, it was a different experience because you're moving your jaw, so it's like reshaping your jaw. So I feel like my face looked so different afterwards. Like my face got a better like face structure now that I got my braces off, as well as the whole way that it moves your face. It's kind of really mind-blowing because I have like a better facial structure now that my teeth are more aligned than they were when they were just a hot mess. The second thing that I also want to state is that when you have your teeth, I really recommend you to floss. When you first put on your braces also, like you're so like not used to having brace metal on your like teeth, so I was always like this. Like if I'm gonna put a clip from my first video, and I just look so terrible, you guys. I look so bad. If you go back to the other videos, I just look so bad. Like my teeth were bad. No. The beginning stages are just a hot mess. I thought it would look cute like everyone else in braces. I did not look cute in braces. So after you do that, you just kind of have however long your appointment or however long your whole treatment is. It just depends on how bad your teeth are in shape. First guy that did my braces, I just really think that my experiences weren't the best because I had to wait a really long time or they would just take me back there and I had to wait like forever in the chair. It was just kind of annoying for me. And then the fact that the metal just like caused my braces to be very inflamed, I just wasn't liking that as well. And a lot of things just disappointed me with the first orthodontist. 2 years passed by with the first orthodontist, with the first dentist, the first guy, and he takes off my braces and they look super pretty, and then, you know, they look more aligned. They look huge, by the way, and I was like super excited. And then we go ahead and do impressions, and these are the old school impressions where you have like the gooey like stuff and they like fit in your mouth and you have to like mold your teeth and you have to mold your bottom teeth, and it's a pain in the ass and I hated doing it because I would gag like all the time and it's just so annoying. I've never thrown up from it, but the gag reflex really got tried. The gag reflex was tried, and I noticed that I can't do like that kind of stuff if I'm sick because my tonsils get really big. Yeah, so I did that, and then he did not give me my retainers until like a month after. So that thing just kind of messed them up, and then my teeth were just very spaced. They were just not what I wanted them to be, and then I kind of complained, and then I went to another evaluation with the same guy, and he would tell me he would do them. Obviously he would do them again for free, but he wanted to do it for like an entire year, which is freaking ridiculous. I was like, no girl, do not do that, no. After that, he did end up whitening my teeth with the Zoom whitening. The Zoom whitening is a like procedure they do in the office, so they like make sure your gums are not visible because it's very sensitive, and you have to use a sensitive like fluoride gel toothpaste for like weeks, and then when you go do it, then your teeth are going to be like better. So I did that first, and then it just kind of builds up your teeth because you're like whitening and stripping out so it'll be white. And then it's like a laser type of thing, and it's super strong for the last like couple minutes Like last 2 minutes are like super strong, so it like makes your teeth super sensitive. And I was only able to do 3 rounds, and I just felt like I was done after that. But I did pay for 4 rounds. This is what my teeth look like after the 2 years with the dentist. Like I said, I did end up waiting about a month after I got my retainer, and I just felt like my teeth, it just wasn't normal. When I went to go ask people, they said it was completely not normal as well, because you're supposed to get them within days, or some people get it the afternoon of. But you know, it's just so weird that they just made me wait a month before I got my retainer, and my retainer wasn't even a clear retainer. It was like some weird stuff and like a bar, and it was just doing nothing. Like, it was so, I just didn't have the best experience with the first doctor. Now that I work at a dental office, I do know more stuff like that, and I went and made an appointment with an actual orthodontist office, which is completely only like does braces and does everything like that. So it's, I feel like, more knowledgeable. It was like 10 times like the budget. Like, it was super luxe where I went, and I highly recommend like where I went. And if you guys want to know, just let me know, because I'll message you. But I really recommend them. Like, they were just, from the moment that I was in there, it was super nice. I went in for the consultation, I met the doctor, and I was in like this really nice, beautiful room. We took x-rays, we took pictures, we just saw everything from the beginning, and it was just so nice for me to see them. Here is the little packet that he gave me from the first time. I might just not even fucking blur it out, but here is what they look like. Here were my teeth before. Here's what I look like. I look so bad, you guys. Do not judge me. But these were my teeth, and as you can see, the doctor made my, like, the back. I had like huge spaces. I don't know if you guys are seeing, but I had like huge spaces back here. So this orthodontist, like, he like looked at them. He made sure that the top, like the front teeth weren't so pushed in, because they were so pushed in. And then these did not have much spaces as they do now. But anyways, this orthodontist, like, I was shooketh, because they gave me so much information. They gave me like great stuff. Like, I just felt so happy with my visit there that I ended up doing the treatment, obviously. Why it was so amazing, because when I first did my top and bottom, it took this man like 5 hours. 5 hours to do both of my braces, and I just felt like it was ridiculous, because it was just 5 freaking hours. Like, hello, like, I have shit to do. Really long procedure. And with this guy, I was in there for like 30 minutes doing the consultation, and then he was like, okay, well, like, we can do them. So I ended up doing them that day, and he literally, I got sat down like 5 minutes after, like, not even that long. I got seated immediately to a chair. He put everything on, and it took like 25 minutes. Put on my braces, evaluated my teeth. He said the top ones were fine with the retainer. So he gave me a strong retainer, and these are clear retainers, and I just cleaned it, so it's not going to be gross. But I just cleaned that, and he gave me a really strong retainer for the top ones, and then for the bottom ones, he just did the braces. So he aligned my top teeth as well with the retainer, so he made it a little bit more strong. And then for the bottom ones, like, it was insane how amazing, like, he did that. It was just, I was shook. I was shook. And then he gave me a goodie bag full of information, like a packet of information. He gave me like extra supplies. He gave me, like, my other doctor did nothing. Like, he would just give me like a little bit of stuff, and like a baggie of like the rubber bands. If you get rubber bands because you do upper and bottom, they are so annoying. But anyway, as you guys can see, like, I really enjoyed the second dentist, orthodontist that I went to, and it was just the best thing. So he told me that he could just do my teeth within like 6 months. So that's what I did. He like got my teeth to look way better. They look so much better now. I feel so much better about my teeth now, and the fact that he did it, and I was amazed by my second orthodontist, you guys. Like, it was just a great experience, and I felt very confident in this doctor than the other doctor. It took him 6 months. It was super easy. It was kind of annoying to get used to it again, because I did wait like 4 months after he took off the original braces to get these other braces on. So today, it was the last day that I had my appointment and record some stuff at the orthodontist today. I do look ratchet, so don't be rude. So weird, you guys. So yeah, this is the entire story of my braces. I do, like, if you guys just want to know, like, are they worth it? Like, yes, they are so worth the entire thing. They're very, very expensive, like, and just go to him. Like, I recommend the second guy, like, he did an amazing job. I really recommend him. I felt very comfortable with that orthodontist. Yeah, that was the entire video for this dentist, orthodontist, braces experience. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Be sure to hit post notifications to get notification whenever I upload. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Please leave your comments down below. And I will see you guys in my next one.